Let's learn how we can handle this set question of JC Max. So let's read the question completely. A survey of 100 students was carried out to find out how many of them have downloaded different apps. So as soon as I see that a survey of 100 students, I will just write U equal to 100. Then 50 has Netflix, so here I will write 50. 61 has Spotify, so here I will write 61, and 10 had Earsport, so it is like 10. Then 18 had Netflix and Spotify. So these three I have completed. So I'll put a tick here. Okay. 18 has Netflix and Spotify. 7 has Spotify and Air. 6 has a Netflix and Air. And 4 had all the three apps. So as soon as when you see a set word problem like this, always remember you need to fill the innermost one first. And then you need to fill this one, and this one. And then you go for this one, and this one. Okay. So you have to start from the innermost one to the outer circle. So taking that into consideration, the first one what I will do is 4 had all the three apps. So it is like 4 is what I will put here. And then I will go with the other 3. So 18 has Netflix and Spotify. So Netflix and Spotify means it is the whole of this portion. So that whole is 18. The whole of this shaded portion is 18. Out of that, we already have updated 4 here. So in that case, the rest of the portion what you will have is 14, which is 18 minus 4. So this is done. Now with the second one, so this is done. Now with the other one, 7 has Spotify and Air. So 7 is for the whole of the shaded portion here. So since we have already 4 there, so what you will have here is 3. Now, so this also done. And the 6 has Netflix and Earsport. So Netflix and Air, so that is this shaded portion. And for that what I will have is 6. So 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. So 2 will come here. Okay. Now once we have all this information, you can start filling in the outer circle like this one. So for that, for the Netflix you have 50 as a number. So to find what is remaining, you do 50 minus 14 plus 4 plus 2. So that is adding up all these together and subtracting. So 50 minus 14 plus 4 plus 2, which is equal to 30. So this will be 30 here. Similarly, you can find out the values for Spotify, which will be 61 minus 61 minus 14 plus 4 plus 3, that will be equal to one second. So that will be equal to 40 here. And similarly, the other one will be 1. Now you have filled everything, but one thing which you have to verify is whether the sum of all these numbers which we have updated in the Venn diagram is equal to 100, because 100 is the universal set. So now you should not confuse this with the here it was 2. You should not confuse it with the numbers of the set which we wrote in the beginning. That is not relevant now. Now you add everything and then subtract it from 100. You will get a value of 6. So 6 is outside. Okay. So now how many students have downloaded none of the app? That is which is the value which is outside, and that is 6.